avoid these 5 sales mistakes. Are you struggling to close deals with the ideal client? You could be guilty of these common sales mistakes. Number 1, not asking the right question. Because of this, you are unable to uncover your client's real problem and fail to offer effective solution. Number 2, failing to listen. Listening is a skill. Listen what your clients are saying. Or do you find yourself talking over them? Number 3, wanting to close the deal too early. If you are not coming from a place of help, you won't be able to attract and retain ideal clients. Number 4, not having a filter. You go anyone who can pay for your service instead of niching down and finding a market. Using a wrong tone of voice. You are unaware of the way you speak and how your message comes across during the sales call. Which of these mistakes have you made? How did you get over them? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.